When it comes to what women notice first in older men, the finer details often stand out. While you might think it's all about looking distinguished with a touch of gray, there's so much more. Today, we'll explore the 7 most important things women notice when they find an older man attractive. Master these elements, and you'll not only catch her eye but leave a lasting impression. Let's dive in. One, posture. Ever walk into a room and feel like you own it without saying a word? That's the power of posture. It's not just about standing straight, it's about exuding control and confidence. For older men, posture carries even more weight. It shows resilience and strength. A confident stance speaks volumes about how you approach life and signals that you're still in the game. Women notice the way you carry yourself because it reflects your mindset. Stand tall, shoulders back, and walk with purpose. A strong posture transforms you from someone who blends into someone unforgettable. 2. Your voice. Your voice is a key part of your masculine presence. Women pay close attention to the tone, depth, and modulation of your voice. A deep, calm, and confident voice can be incredibly attractive, signaling maturity, experience, and reliability. On the other hand, a shaky or monotone voice can indicate nervousness or lack of enthusiasm. You don't need to fake it, just speak naturally but with intention. A confident voice doesn't just say words, it conveys emotion, warmth, and charm. Let your voice reflect the man you are. 3. Your smile. Your smile is your secret weapon. It's the easiest way to create a positive, approachable vibe. A genuine, warm smile can disarm even the coldest stranger and set the tone for deeper connections. Smiling often makes you more charismatic and engaging, qualities women find irresistible. It's not just about looking friendly, it's about showing warmth and openness. So, flash that winning smile and make it a habit. It might just be the first thing that draws her in and keeps her interested. 4. Your eyes. Women notice your eyes, not just for their color but for the story they tell. An older man's gaze carries depth, confidence, and experience. Your eyes reflect the challenges you've faced and the wisdom you've gained. Maintaining eye contact during a conversation signals engagement and confidence, creating an unspoken bond. Avoid darting or lifeless eyes. They can come off as insecure or disinterested. Instead, let your gaze convey trust and a wealth of life experience. Women love a man who can communicate with his eyes. 5. Your scent. Your scent is a silent yet powerful way to make an impression. A man who smells good projects confidence, cleanliness, and attention to detail, qualities that women find irresistible. As an older man, a well-chosen fragrance or natural scent adds an air of sophistication and maturity. It's not just about smelling nice, it's about leaving a lasting impression. Scent is deeply tied to memory, so make yours memorable. Ask yourself, what message does your fragrance send today? Let it say sophistication, charm, and class. 6. Dressing style. Style speaks louder than words. Women notice when a man has put effort into his appearance. Whether it's a sharp suit, polished shoes, or a classic watch, your attire shows that you take care of yourself. Even without a James Bond body, a well-dressed man stands out. Dressing well is about more than impressing, it's a way of expressing who you are. Your style reflects your personality and sophistication. A little effort in your wardrobe can make a big difference in how women perceive you. 7. Your hair. Gray hair isn't a disadvantage, it's a badge of distinction. Many women find a salt and pepper look or a clean-shaven head incredibly attractive. It's about embracing your age with style and confidence. Well-groomed hair, whether it's full, thinning, or completely shaved, reflects good hygiene and self-care. Neglecting your hair can signal the opposite. Think Bruce Willis or George Clooney, confidence makes the look. A polished haircut or clean shave can transform you into someone women find irresistibly mature and sophisticated. Master these, and you'll have an undeniable advantage. Remember, it's the little details that make all the difference. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.